Now let's learn comprehension questions of unit number 4. First question is write 5 causes of road accidents. Answer: there are 5 main causes of road accidents on roads. Number 1, overspeeding and rash driving. Number 2, use of mobile phones while driving. Not wearing seat belts, violating traffic signals, violating lane discipline. Question number 2 is how can we contribute to reduce the number of accidents? Answer is if we recognize road safety as a social issue and observe traffic rules and laws strictly, we can reduce the number of accidents on roads. Question number 3, how can wearing a helmet increase the chances of survival in case of an accident? Answer: wearing helmet gives protection against severe head and face injuries in case of an accident. In this way, it increases the chance of survival. Question number 4. What is a lane and what we do to change the lane? Answer: a lane is a section of a wide road that is marked by the painted white lines to keep lines of traffic separate. They should indicate properly before we change our lane. Question number 5. Why must we give way to emergency vehicles? Answer: we must give way to emergency vehicles because in this way our life can be saved in time. Question number 6. How do traffic rules help us in controlling, regulating traffic? Recommend ways to keep the traffic moving, flowing on roads. Answer is traffic rules regularize the traffic. Following ways can be helpful in moving traffic on roads. Follow traffic rules. Use footpath for walking on roads. Do not use mobile phone while driving. Always wear seat belts.